Welcome to Wave Wasters. I'm Matt, and in this video I'm going to make this pair of rear fins to go with the side fins from my last video. In my last video, I made a pine thruster set using this fin I found from the beach that was broken. And in this video, I'm going to make a pair of rear fins using this 3D printed fin I found, also broken on the beach. And the shape of this one looked pretty good to make a quad set when using the front pair of fins from the thruster set. So together, it should be a pretty fun quad set, and it will be fun to try out. So starting off, I'm going to draw out this fin shape onto some of the scrap pine and cut it out. So let's jump into it. I have my two fin blanks cut out and sanded to the exact shape I want. So the next thing I'm going to do is dry out the foil on these, and then I'm going to drop them in the vise and give them a quick foil. So let's draw these out. Alright, I have my two fins foiled, so the next step is just running a propane torch over these, just to burn the surface of the wood a little bit, give it a little bit more character, and then it'll also match the thruster set that I made in my last video. So yeah, let's jump into that, and then we'll glass them. fins are ready to surf. I have them all cleaned up and ready to go. I'm pretty excited to pair these up with the side fins from my last thruster set. I'll put a link to that video down in the description if you want to check it out. Without saying too much, here's how the final fins look.